when your bundles come. And it's lit. And it's lit. And it's lit. Too legit. Too quick. Guys, I'm so excited. My bundles have come. My bundles have come and I'm ready to share them with you guys. And I was like, okay, I got them yesterday. And I was like, I'm not going to even open them until I'm able to do an unboxing with my babies because I know they're going to be excited with me too. So I'm going to go ahead and share this with you guys. So let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm coming to cause trouble. You don't like me, unfollow. You can't talk about my hustle. You make.
So what are some bundles? Okay, Google, turn volume down. From YWIGS, and they came in DHL Express bag. I'm low-key geek hype about this bag though, like simply because I've ordered from YWIGS before and they only sent the box. So to see now that they're, you know, stepping it up with this cute bag, honey, I'm here for it. Now I don't usually rock these bags when people give you these bags because I feel like it reminds me of a grocery bag or, you know, I don't know, real cheap, a cheap look, but I like how they sent this package. I'm here for this. Oh, this box. This box. What? But no, like this is another hype moment for me because they're stepping it up and I'm so proud of YWIGS. You know why? Because when I ordered last time, I'm gonna tell you why. When I ordered last time, it was just simply the white box. And I was here for it anyway because the bundles were lit. The prices were lit as well. So I didn't care. But this black box, YWIGS, what y'all doing to the people? Get into it now. Okay, so we're gonna open. And it didn't take long to come. I'm sorry, y'all, I dance a lot, so y'all just gonna have to excuse me. And if you don't like it, oh well. I understand. It's like, girl, get into the hair. Okay, I'm gonna get into the hair. Let me stop moving. Let me stop. Let me control myself. Okay, so I ordered from YWIGS, and it comes with a return exchange form. Oh, yeah. YWIGS, how you know? Now, how y'all know I needed some of these? And I literally just went to the hair store yesterday and purchased some. Like, how y'all know? How y'all knew about that? So they sent a deluxe wig cap as well, and it comes with 2 pieces. Superior quality. I'm here for that because these are perfect to wear under your wigs, under your units, and to cover your edges, protect your edges, and to give it a more realistic part or look to the scalp. And I also purchased, ooh, I'm hyped. So I purchased 2 12-inch. Why does this look longer though? What's going on with that? Maybe it's because this bag is tied. But it says hair weaving 12-inch number 613, which is 613. Body wave, and as I think I remember it to be, I want to say it was Brazilian. Yes, Brazilian wave. Boop, right on top. Brazilian wave, boom, Brazilian wave. And these are 2 12-inches. I also purchased a frontal as well. And this is a free part 13-inch, 4-inch lace frontal. Not 12. Why do I keep saying 12 for everything? 10-inch. Number 613, which is 613 body wave. Okay, all right. And then they also sent a little elastic band. So they must have knew that I was gonna make her look into a wig unit. Miss Honey, they must have knew. Okay, well, let's see what's in here. Let's start with this package first. Oh, yes, ma'am, Pam. Well, they sent me some clips. They sent some wig clips. And an elastic band, which should fit. I guess this is a universal elastic band, or were they running, was this a clearance, or was this scraps? Someone else's elastic band. I don't know, but this is all they sent. So I don't know if this is a sample of what a real elastic band is. I don't know what their intentions was, but I'm assuming it was just to assist someone who can fit this to help them secure their unit. I guess, but baby, they trying to give you a migraine to help you lose the edges. So we're gonna start with the frontal first. Let's get her out the bag first. Okay. sure about this bag. This bag feels a little reused several times, but we're not gonna focus on that too much. What they thought, but you know, we're here for what they said. All right, so let's get her out of the little hair nets. Ooh, yes, she feels nice, honey. I like it, boo. Okay, so the netting feels really well. It feels good. Doesn't feel too thick. Give you guys just a close-up of it. And it feels very luster. It has like a lot of luster to it. It comes folded. I love this curl pattern. Like the, not curl pattern, but the body wave. And it feels great. Now it seems pre-plucked, and I'm here for that. But you know, I still want to kind of make it more suitable for just me. This was a free part as well, but it seems as if there's part in here. But either way, I'm gonna funk it out so it matters nonetheless. I'm here for it though. I like it though. This is going to be my body wave bundle. And this is the 12-inch. I guess what you may get what you pay for, because it feels okay. It feels decent. Doesn't feel too dry. The 613 here will come just with a little dryness because it has to be lifted. But the thing that I don't like, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are a few black strands in it as well. And I'm not really here for that, you know, but we're gonna make it work. Nonetheless, we're gonna make it work. 12-inch bundle, and there's slight shedding, and I'm thinking, I would like to assume that's because of the dyeing process, and it's very bare. The shedding is very bare, very minimum. It feels very good. Now the ends kind of feel just slightly dry, but that's nothing that a little deep conditioning can't fix. And like I mentioned, there are some dark strands in here that I just cannot get really jiggy with, but I'm sure that we can take care of that. They come the bundle feels really thick though, but for the most part, it's really good. I would say they're very decent. And this is how they come. There's bare smell, very bare, which means very slim. It's a slim smell. I'm going to wash it first before I put any color to it, just so I can rinse off any processed chemicals that may still be on there. Let's unwrap it. I like how they kind of separate their cells from the other curl, from the other wave. Hard in the middle, but I'm sure again once I wash it, that chemical or that gloss, whatever's on it, will be gone. And there's double. The weft is a nice length. Nice length. Slide. Oh, my arms, they're stretchy. Okay, but no, seriously, I unwrapped it. You see how those lines are kind of hard right there in the middle? Right in the middle right here. But again, for the most part, I'm really satisfied. But again, you get what you pay for, and I'm happy that I paid these coins because I feel like I'm gonna be given life from here on out. I think I'm gonna serve life. So you guys, really simple, really short, really cute to you guys. Kick it to you. So that's another company, and this is like a AliExpress company a little, I want to say, but they branched off more into their own. It was a small company now, but I feel like they're growing because they've changed their packaging and their shipping is really fast. So I'm all around satisfied. I give this company about an 8. Because if they could change just a couple of those things that we noticed, they would be good. But for my coin, I'm happy. Hey. I'm happy. Shoot. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a like, or if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. But I would love to see what you guys thought about it. Leave me some comments down below, even on some other video guys ideas that you have for me that you want me to do, or even some other companies that you think are amazing with 613 here that you would love to see me do a review on. And also guys, I am not sponsored, just want to say I'm not sponsored by this company. I paid my own coins because I felt like it's time for a new unit and I wanted to try some coloring. So I'm gonna have some colors in mind that I want to try. I'm excited. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and also follow me on my other social media sites or social media. Keep up with me on my social media. Yeah. And make sure you have that bell button selected so you don't miss any of my videos, guys. I'll see you soon, guys.